Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your Gmail inbox quickly and easily. If you're like me, your inbox can get cluttered with thousands of emails, making it hard to find the important ones. But don't worry, in just a few minutes, you'll learn how to declutter your inbox and get organized. Let's dive right in. First, open your Gmail account. As you can see here, I have approximately 4,000 emails in my inbox. It can be overwhelming, but we'll take it step by step. To begin the cleanup process, head over to the settings icon, which is located in the top right corner of your Gmail interface. Click on the gear icon and then select See All Settings. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to the Inbox tab. This section allows you to customize how your emails are organized. Here, you'll see different categories like primary, social, promotion, updates, and forums. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to focus on the updates category. Select the checkbox next to updates. This category is useful for filtering out certain types of emails that can clutter your main inbox. After you've selected the updates category, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. Now, you'll notice a significant reduction in the number of emails in your primary inbox. In my case, the number has dropped from around 3,000 to just few emails. The rest have been moved to the Updates tab. Let's take a look at what's in the Updates category. In the Updates tab, you'll find all the auto-generated emails such as notifications, newsletters, bills, and statements. This is a great way to keep your main inbox focused on the emails that matter most to you. Now that we've organized our emails, it's time to start deleting the ones we don't need. The key is to identify senders that frequently send you emails. For example, I receive a lot of emails from this. To clean this up, I can right-click on one of their emails and select Find Emails from LinkedIn. This action will show me all the emails I've received from LinkedIn. To delete them, I simply click on the checkbox to select All Emails. Then click on the option to select All Conversations and finally click on Delete. A confirmation box will appear. Click OK to confirm the deletion. Repeat this process for other senders that are cluttering your inbox. This way you can quickly and efficiently remove large batches of unwanted emails. Once you've finished cleaning up your inbox, you might want to disable the Updates category to keep things simple. To do this, go back to the Settings menu by clicking on the gear icon and selecting See All Settings. Navigate to the Inbox tab again, and this time, uncheck the box next to Updates. After that, scroll down and click on Save Changes. This will move all emails back to your main inbox, but now it's much cleaner. And that's it. Your Gmail inbox is now clean and organized. Regular maintenance like this can save you a lot of time and stress in the long run. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.